I've been using the OnePlus Bullet Z wireless earphones for over a couple of days now. In this video, I'll talk about all the important stuff you should know before buying, like the sound quality and the call quality or the mic quality, the low latency mode, the quick switch or the dual mode, and the comfort and all the important stuff you should know. So guys, if you are new to the channel, subscribe and also like this video. Let's begin. So if you're not familiar with the specs, you can take a look, but let's now put them to the test. So starting off with the low latency mode, I tried gaming on this, and guys, there is actually a little bit of a delay which does indeed affect the gameplay. I tried this both on the iPad and the Android, but the results are pretty much similar, and it's not really that good. As far as I remember, the QCY T5 or even the Realme Buds Air were actually a tad bit better, I would say. So anyway, just to give you an idea, I'm going to put this mic right next to the earbuds and I'm going to press the fire button, and I hope you can actually have an idea about the delay. So here it is. But when you're watching videos, it is properly synced and there is no issue in terms of latency. So the next interesting feature is the quick switch, where you can switch between two devices seamlessly, and by pressing this function button twice you can do that. And just to show you guys, here it is actually connected to my iPad right now. So double pressing this, you can see here it is now being connected to the mobile, as you can see. So it works fairly fast, and also I find it working most of the times, but a couple of times I found that it wasn't working properly, so that's not an issue anyway. I personally like this feature a lot. So it does have the mic, and I must say I'm really impressed with the mic quality. I had pretty good calling experience where it cuts out most of the ambient noise, but yes, it can capture still some wind noise. So anyway, just to give you an idea, here is the mic sample, guys. Hey guys, now I'm recording this using the OnePlus Bullet Z wireless earphones. Let me know how the mic quality is. So I've been using this for calls, and I must say the recipients were pretty okay or happy with the overall conversation. So I guess this is really good in terms of call quality. I find the music controls to be very simple and practical. Using the power button, you can skip tracks, double press to go to the next track, and triple press to go back to the previous track. And to invoke Google Assistant or Siri, you need to just press and hold it. So all you have to do is remember one key, and you also have the volume controls, which is a nice addition. Also, I like the handy features, like when you are playing music, just put them together to pause the music, and this will also disconnect the earphones, as you can see here. And once you actually separate them, the music starts playing, and again it gets connected automatically. But this does take a few seconds, but it's mostly fast. In terms of fit and comfort, I find them fit pretty well, at least for my ears, and because they are very lightweight, you don't really feel like you are wearing them. I mean, it's mostly unnoticeable. I personally don't like neckbands, but it didn't really bother me that much. So let's talk about the sound quality. Starting with the bass, there is decently good amount of bass, but it is definitely not bass heavy. The bass has some punch to it and feels mostly clean, but I would have liked a little bit more depth in the bass. I mean, for example, when I was hearing this song, which I usually do for testing, there is a good build up and a bass drop at around 50-second mark. That could have been slightly more impactful, because I've heard slightly better earphones at this price range. So overall, for the bass, I would rate this 7.8 out of 10. The instruments sound really good and have some good clarity to them in the mid-range and the upper mid-range region. The vocals sound pretty good, but nothing extraordinary. I feel the highs or the treble is mostly rolled off or relaxed. So even at about 80 to 90% volume, it doesn't feel harsh or irritating, which is good. So in simple terms, I would say these are tuned towards a well-rounded and balanced sound, which I believe should satisfy a lot of people out there. So overall, I would say these are an easy pick in terms of sound. But the best part is the battery life. I mean, I had to work really hard to drain this. It roughly gave me about 15 hours of battery life with about 80% to 90% volume, so that is really good. So about the fast charging, I used my laptop, not any fast charger, to charge it for about 10 minutes exactly. And I've been using them again for about an hour, but I haven't been able to drain them again. So I'll try and put a drain sort of test video. Also, I'm planning to compare these with the Realme Buds Wireless as per your request, guys. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. And talking about these earphones, so should you really buy them? I would say for that price of 2000 rupees, these are definitely one of the best earphones available in the market. I mean, you're getting great battery life, fast charging, and decent quality sound along with good mic. So what else do you really expect at this price point? So anyway, let me know what you think, guys. That's been it. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, also subscribe. I'll see you soon.